This video walks you through how to set QuickBooks default terms. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the settings icon shown as a gear. Click that icon to open the settings menu. From the options that appear, select Account and Settings. This will open the area where you manage company preferences that affect how QuickBooks works across your forms and transactions. Inside Account and Settings, look for the tabs along the left or across the page depending on your screen layout and choose Sales. The Sales tab contains the settings that control invoice behavior, sales forms, and related preferences. After the page opens, scroll until you find the section labeled Sales Form Content. This section includes the default details that appear when you create invoices and other customer-facing sales forms. When you have located sales form content, click Edit. This opens the settings in that section so you can make changes. Look through the available fields until you find Preferred Invoice Terms. This setting controls which payment terms QuickBooks places on new invoices by default. It is worth checking that you are editing the correct section, since QuickBooks includes several settings areas with similar labels. Click the Preferred Invoice Terms field to open the list of available options. From there, select the default payment terms you want to use. The options may include due on receipt, net 15, net 30, or net 60, depending on what is available in your company file. Choose the one that matches the standard payment timeline you want applied to future invoices. This change affects new invoices going forward, so it helps keep terms consistent without selecting them manually each time. After you choose the preferred terms, click Save to apply the update. Give QuickBooks a moment if the page takes a second to process the change. Once the save is complete, click Done to exit Account and Settings and return to your regular QuickBooks view. At this point, the setting is in place. When you create a new invoice, QuickBooks will automatically use the payment terms you selected as the default. If an individual customer or invoice needs different terms later, you can still change them on that specific invoice, but your standard choice will now appear automatically on new ones. Your QuickBooks Online default invoice terms are now set for new invoices.